Okay, this is Carlos Ramirez from NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. We're unlocking another Harley GTS unit to work on an older Street Glide. This is a unique situation because he actually bought this one brand new. So brand new, it's supposed to be unlocked so it'll work on the 14 through 18 Harley-Davidsons. So he told me I tried it and it didn't work. I put it on our 16. He is correct. The unit will not power up. Well, it powers up and it says not authorized to work on this bike. So we're going to go ahead and unlock it and then ship it back. So you can see it's still got the plastic, still got the sticker on it. The unit is literally brand new. You turn the ignition on. This radio is not compatible with this vehicle. Please contact your Harley dealership. So we're going to go ahead and unlock it. We're going to activate CarPlay and Android Auto without the need for a WIM. And then we're going to flash the factory EQ flat and then ship it back out to him. On our 19, it powers right up. So we're going to go ahead and do the firmware update on this and reset it. Here we are back on the 16. And let's see if it took. Yeah, there we go. Unlocked and ready to go. Now we just got to unlock CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is activated. No WIM module. This one's ready to ship back out.